This year's summit is at a very ripe time when we have just finished the spectrum buying in India. All the operators are in that hot mood of how to use the spectrum in order to invest into something useful. So at this summit, currently I'm looking at various ways that TM Forum can actually guide us in terms of defining what kind of digital ecosystem an operator has to have, so that the content and multimedia services, the rich content, the download speeds, fantastic energy, I would say, we are looking from the summit itself in order to make it all happen, and that too in a very, very short time frame. I mean, rollouts might be within the next 3 to 6 months.
So while I've gone through the agenda, it looks great. There are some interesting conversations which I'm looking forward to. But more interestingly, I would look at, coming from Tata Communications and the operations arm of Tata Communications, what I would really look at is some of the key drivers that from the network operations side of perspective, and that will connect into the digital transformation really. And more so from with the advent of SDN and NFV coming right on the horizon, I'm really eager to see what the industry perspectives are looking like.
Yes, it has been an excellent occasion to interact with all the peers across the industry. It's a good learning platform and also a good platform to network with all the peers and competitors of the industry. TM Forum gives us an opportunity to learn what our competitors are doing in a more healthier fashion and imbibe the best part of it, what we can take back home and see how we can improve and collaborate with each other. Collaborating not only with my peers in the industry, but also my suppliers. So Oracle being one of the sponsors, I get an opportunity to meet with Oracle also. So that helps me know in which direction the industry is steering, where I need to notch up to ensure that we are again moving in the right direction.
I'm very pleasantly surprised at the level of interaction that has happened from the various fellow operators here. It gives us more confidence that as Oracle we are on the right path. The people who have come in after the discussions or the panel discussions and have exchanged ideas is just fantastic. You can straight away sense that there is a full desperate need to have a discussions like this in an open forum where they can confirm their views with the other fellow operators.
It's great actually, hearing some great ideas from both people who are suppliers as well as other people from our other operators. So whatever has been on the showcase so far has been very good.